So in this video I will show you a 10k to 100k winning products that it's very much effective. Okay, so first of all I will show you the product and the competition and the proven system that why this product is winning. Okay, so first of all let's go to the product. Okay, this is a product that 3D printed breathable mask elastic. I mean, it's a mask for celebrities like the who right now those people are right now is very trending like Cristiano Ronaldo, Messi, others big celebrity. Okay, even I see on like Donald Trump, Vladimir Putin, a lot of in the world celebrity. Okay, and from I will always show you the product from winning product from AliExpress. Okay, only AliExpress is enough, I always tell it. That's why, so I always go on AliExpress. I see that the products is not maximum 10k sale. Okay, this is the number one rules you will always in your mind, just keep it that the product should be not maximum 10k sales. So overall this is a 600 plus and 4.5 star reviews. This is good. And in here you will see the related items that overall that these products 500 plus sold, 500 plus sold, 300. So when I have calculated, it's not over 10k. Okay, it's under 10k and overall. And I will show you that this is also 2000 plus sold. Okay, this is the similar product, 3D funny mask, and this is the product that 1000 plus sold. Okay, so that's why this product is definitely is a winning product. Okay, from 10k, minimum 10k or maximum 6 figure, 7 figure, whatever, it's your strategy, your marketing strategy, it depends. Okay, so let's go to the competition. Okay, you don't need to paid tools or money spending tools to find winning products to see the competitor. No need. Just go to Google. Okay, very simple. Just go to Google and paste the full product name, and after that you will see the product, how many stores selling it. So like this is the AliExpress link, this is the AliExpress link I showed you, that these are the AliExpress link. Okay, and in Amazon, no problem. If you see Amazon, no problem. And like in here like some small not physical product setting. These are like some website that is showing like video or other stuff like that. Okay, and the competition is very less. Okay, so you can definitely try this product, and I will show you right now the proven and the effective way why this is a winning product. First of all, I will go to the comments of the product. Okay, AliExpress product. So when you will go down, and you will see that a lot of customer reviews. Okay, the customer reviews 342. In here you will learn more deeply realistic result, the proven result why this is a winning product. Okay, so wait and we will see the customer reviews. And my friend, I am a dropshipping agent. I have fast shipping service from 5 years. Okay, like from COVID I'm giving good service. I can beat any price. Okay, if your supplier or like other fulfillment company give you $5, I can give you definitely 4.99. Okay, so even 1%, at least 1%, I can guarantee you will get better service than others. Okay, from me. So you can ask for me any product price. Okay, I will give you good product service and everything, shipping, fulfillment related, every service, documents, tax, everything. Okay, so wait one moment. The comments is coming, I mean the customer reviews. You can also go to the other product customer reviews. Yeah, okay, customer reviews is 449. Okay, so the reviews is like in the review section you will get the ton of result about the product. Okay, is this winning or not? So first, this is a comment or reviews that never received. A customer comment arrived 2 months later, but arrived. Take. It looks normal. You can be angry in the dark. Okay, everything is cool normally, but the parcel took a long time. Here is the point. Okay, just see it very carefully. Cool. Okay, very good quality, very good mask. On this in class, ugly, I liked it. I will laugh a couple of times. Okay, and every comment is updated. Okay, today is like April 8, and the comment is very very recent, like within 15 days. Okay, so that's why when you will also see the comments, you have to check either the comment is within 1 month or not. If the comments is within 1 month, then this is the winning product. Okay, and this is not oversaturated, this is still winning, it will sell. Okay, so in this reviews I don't need to read all. I have gathered a idea that this is a product good, but the problem is slow shipping. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to give fast shipping. Yeah, I can definitely give you fast shipping within 7 days, within maximum 10 days. Okay, so we have to do good shipping time, good product quality, and the first thing is marketing. Okay, if you can good proper marketing about this product, good ad creatives, good content, so definitely six figure sale is just need time. Okay, it's very very easy, very simple. So that's why my friend, this is a winning product. You can try, you can sell. Okay, if you need any help, content creation, product fulfillment, order fulfillment, anything I can give you. Okay, just start right now. Okay, so thank you so much, and please subscribe. So in this video I will show you